Temperature is the most measured process variable, from extreme temperatures to corrosive and erosive environments. Each application has its challenges. With over 25 years in the temperature business, we can custom engineer solutions for all your temperature applications. At SSi, we do it all from our 7,000 square foot production floor in Houston, Texas. From our sensor and machine shops and calibration lab, we manufacture, test, and calibrate temperature sensors, thermowells, and assemblies all in-house. This allows us to control the production, maintain quality control, and provide speedy customer service. Because of that, we have same-day capabilities to get you back up and running, as well as mass production capabilities. We do it all so that we can keep quality consistent. So whether you need a one-off custom temperature assembly or have a large project, SSi is the perfect partner. Call or contact us today to see how you can get started.